Hey awesome scientists, are you ready to explore, discover, and get a little messy? Today we're doing fun science experiments you can try at home. Get your grown-up, grab your goggles, and let's make science amazing. First up, let's make milk dance with color. You'll need a plate of milk, food coloring, dish soap, cotton swab steps. Pour milk onto the plate. Add drops of food coloring, red, blue, yellow. Go wild. Dip your cotton swab into dish soap. Touch the milk with the swab and whoa! The colors move like magic. The soap breaks up the fat in the milk and the colors go on a wild ride. Second up, mini volcano eruption. You'll need baking soda, vinegar, dish soap, optional, red food coloring, a small container. Steps: put a few spoonfuls of baking soda into your volcano, add a few drops of red food coloring, add a squeeze of dish soap, now pour in the vinegar and boom, it erupts, just like a real volcano. The fizz is caused by a chemical reaction between vinegar and baking soda. Science is explosive. Third up, walking, water, rainbow. You'll need 6 clear cups, water food coloring, red, yellow, blue, paper towels. Steps: fill every other cup with water. Add food coloring, red in the first, yellow in the third, blue in the fifth. Roll up paper towels and place them like bridges between the cups. Wait and watch the magic happen. The colors will walk from cup to cup, mixing and creating a beautiful rainbow. Why? Because of capillary action. Water loves to climb. Quick bonus: dancing paper ghosts, static electricity fun. You'll need a balloon, tissue paper, scissors. Steps: cut ghost shapes from tissue paper. Rub the balloon on your hair or a sweater. Hold it near the ghosts and they start to dance. That's static electricity pulling on the paper. Who knew ghosts love to boogie? Wasn't that amazing? You just became a real scientist at home. Remember to always ask for adult help and clean up when you're done. Want more fun experiments? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more science surprises every week. Stay curious, keep exploring. Science is everywhere. Bye.